Welcome to this overview of the Scaled Agile Framework, commonly known as SAFe. If you are familiar with Agile but wondering how it applies to massive organizations with hundreds of developers, this video is for you. We will break down the complexity of scaling Agile into simple, digestible concepts. First, let's understand the problem. Methodologies like Scrum work wonderfully for small, individual teams of about 7 people. But what happens when you have a large enterprise with hundreds or even thousands of software developers? You often face disconnected strategies, complex dependencies between teams, and a lack of alignment. We need a way to get everyone moving in the same direction. This is where SAFe comes in. SAFe stands for Scaled Agile Framework. It is a massive knowledge base of proven principles, practices, and competencies. It combines the power of Lean, Agile, and DevOps to help businesses achieve agility at scale, not just at the team level. SAFe is built on 4 core values that guide behavior. Number 1 is alignment, making sure everyone from the CEO to the developer understands the goal. Number 2 is built-in quality, avoiding technical debt by testing early. Number 3 is transparency, visualizing work so problems can't hide. And number 4 is program execution, the ability to reliably deliver value. One size does not fit all. SAFe is configurable. Essential SAFe is the starting point containing the critical elements. Large Solution SAFe is for building massive systems like satellites or cars. Portfolio SAFe aligns strategy with execution. And Full SAFe is the comprehensive version for the largest enterprises. The most important concept you need to know is the Agile Release Train, or ART. Think of it as a team of teams. It consists of 50 to 125 people who plan, commit, and release together on a fixed schedule. Just like a train, it departs on a reliable schedule, and if you miss it, you catch the next one. How does this train stay on track? Through PI planning, or program increment planning. This is a massive 2-day event held every 8 to 12 weeks where everyone on the Agile Release Train meets face-to-face to plan the next increment of work. It is considered the heartbeat of SAFe. SAFe introduces new roles to manage this scale. The Release Train engineer acts as a servant leader and coach for the entire train. Product management defines what gets built, and the system architect ensures the technology stack can support the business needs. Why go through all this trouble? The results speak for themselves. Organizations implementing SAFe typically see 30 to 75% faster time to market, significant improvements in quality and productivity, and importantly, happier and more engaged employees. In summary, SAFe provides the operating system for business agility. It synchronizes alignment and collaboration across large numbers of teams, allowing enterprises to adapt and compete in the digital age. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.